Hi, I'm Rafi and welcome to my show.
Today, I will be unboxing the NERF Elite Sling Strike. Now this gun is made in China, but it's 10 times more useful than all the other stuff I've unboxed from China. I'm going to open this right now. I got this since I really wanted the Sling Strike, since it was the NERF at the Target that I go to in Rockville. It turns out that they don't have this on sale, but when I went to the 5 and below, I was lucky because this was the only NERF gun that they were selling. And enough is the talk. I'm going to open them up with my butterfly knife. Now, we're going to open this. It comes with 2 N-Strike Elite bullets, the sling thing, and the main stuff, and the main part of the blaster. Now, it's time for more butterfly knife action.
Kids, don't play with knives.
There we go. Don't try this at home, kids. Do it with scissors. Come on. There we go. Okay, so now, when it's all cut out, you have to do this. You have to take this part and slide it in here somehow. There we go. And then, you have to take this part and put it into here. This has a lock on it, so you can't pull the string back. You have to load a dart in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up my zombie strike. Well, these are not zombie strike. The NERF N-Strike Elite darts. So, in order how to load and fire it, put it into here, bring it back, and fire it. Let's see if I can shoot the cameraman who only gets paid minimum wage. Hit. Let's hit him again. Now, we're going to shoot the bear. Everyone, I highly recommend this. This is the most awesome Chinese contraption. But there's a problem though. It's hard to pull it back when you have a dart in here. I think this just with my blaster though. Think the other ones, you might have some luck with it. You have to be tough to use this. No weaklings. And you also have 2 extra places to hold your darts. 1 here and 1 here. Yeah.
You better subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to American Adventurers now.